I'm back in the lab. The guy brought me 2008 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Doing the entire sound system to it. Doing all Polk audio, all marine speakers. I'm gonna put a component set up top. Wolf in the tweeter. The lowers I'm gonna put 6.5. And the back I'm gonna do 2 6x9s in each saddlebag. So it's just a little setup I guess he put it in himself, but I mean it sound alright. I'll turn it up this way. Like this would be, it'd be way louder once I get done with it. Sound alright, but I think one of these speakers is busted, but it's all distortion. So when I get done with this bike, it'd be way louder, cleaner. You hear everything. So when I show you the back of this, this is what I'm up against. Look at all that wine. I gotta fix all that first. I'm not don't even touch the speakers, nothing yet. I'm gonna fix all that wine first. So I got my work cut out for me. So that's what it is.